Today, we're going to study the Cebuano and Kapampangan language. Cebuano! Cebuano is Maya Paabot. Maya Paabot! Kung in Cebuano is Maya Patak. How are you? In Cebuano is kamusta ka naman? Toilet in Cebuano is Sillas. Table in Cebuano is la misa. Chair in Cebuano is ikutana. Kapampangan. Kapampangan is the same with Tagalog language. Good afternoon in Kapampangan is kaya ang panapanampun. In Kapampangan is kaya pingi. Bye-bye. Kung in Kapampangan is maya aapak. Thank you Kapampangan is tangan. Where is the church? Where is the church? It's Cebuano. Asaan si Paan? Bicolano. Masarap yung Bicolano is masira. Bakit yung Bicolano is makalos? Thank you in Bicolano is Diyos Pabalos. Good morning in Bicolano is Maray na Aga.
Good evening in Bicolano is Maray na Bangge.